We are excited to announce the release of our Aerpro FP9650 total installation kits, designed specifically for Ford Falcon FG vehicles. Available in satin black and piano black, the total installation kits come with everything you need to install an aftermarket double-din head unit into your vehicle. The fascia kit has integrated buttons for HVAC control and various vehicle settings, which will all display on the aftermarket head unit when in use. This fascia features a built-in MagMate magnetic phone holder, allowing you to securely attach your phone to the top of the fascia. Included in this installation kit is double-din fascia with mounting kit and control unit pre-installed, available in satin black or piano black, a matching colour top dash panel, a MagMate plate for your phone, ISO harness, universal steering wheel control patch lead, antenna adapter, video in and out lead, and the user manual. If your vehicle has factory OEM reverse sensors or factory reverse camera, an Aerpro CHFO1B and APV FD02 is required for it to be compatible with this fascia kit. Please visit our website aerpro.com for more information and compatibility with this fascia kit. The FP9650SK and FP9650PK are available now from our Aerpro stockist.